Oh my God, I think we've just seen a new world record.
I think I got 9 feet with my new technique.
That looks painful.
Painful?
I mean graceful.
Graceful.
Well, with 2 more jumps, Carrie's form improves, and so does her distance.
Carrie, you went 10 feet. You've increased your distance.
Right.
Carrie's just finished all 3 of her jumps, and she came away with a 9.5 feet average. That is incredible, considering the fact that she's not that athletic, she's very uncoordinated, and she has a bum knee. It's my turn next.
It's not a competition, Tori. It's about data collection and setting the average Joe leaping benchmark.
Time to get in the zone.
Is he putting my headband?
Yes, he is.
All right, I'm in the zone.
Balachi takes his run up,
Run, run, run.
and he really goes the distance.
Ooh, I got sand in my pants.
Well, that was about 16 feet.
Does it remind you of Michael Jordan, all that air?
2 more jumps,
Yeah. Woo! Woo!
and the data on distance is in.
All right, your average is 16 feet, mine is 9.5. Good job, you guys.
All right, why don't we look at the high speed and see how much hang time we're actually getting?
Yep, just as important as the average distance is the average hang time of the jumps.
So look, you got in the air, got some height there.
That's form.
But the hang time isn't looking good. Even with Tori airborne for 0.5 of a second, getting the timing right in full scale is going to be tough.
Now, we did come out here to find out what the average long jump would be from an average person. And between Tori and I, our average is about 12 feet. When you look at that on the high speed, that's not even half a second of hang time. That's a very small window to actually trigger everything that needs to happen, the jump and the bomb. So I think we might have to go with something that gives us more hang time. Maybe a Olympic world record or something like that. Something like, oh, I don't know, double the hang